Struggling with a slow PC? Well, these 3 advanced tips might be just what you're looking for to fix your PC issues. Hi, this is Desires Burnette from Burnette Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to optimize your machine like an IT professional. Let's get into it. The first tip is to run a tool called System File Checker. To access this tool, you must go through the command line interface. Let's see how to get this done. On your Windows machine, search for command prompt. You want to run command prompt as an administrator. Select yes. Once the command prompt interface has opened, you type in SFC scannow. What this tool does is it scans your file system and it repairs any errors that it may find. Select enter. This process might take a few seconds up to a few minutes, so let's just wait until the process has been completed. Once completed, you will see if your system has repaired any issues or if there were no issues to be found. Let's go into tip number 2, and that is using the DISM tool. DISM stands for Deployment, Image, Servicing and Management. This tool scans and repairs your Windows image file. So instead of potentially resetting your computer, you can run this tool first to see if it finds any issues and it is able to repair it for you. Let's see how to go through this tool right now. Within the same command prompt, you type in the following: DISM online cleanup image RestoreHealth. Now there are several prompts that you can utilize with the DISM tool for scanning, for checking your image, and then this one for restore. You don't necessarily have to do the other two. This command, RestoreHealth, both scans and restores any imaging issues or problems that your computer might have. Once you type in the command, press enter, and this process could take several minutes. In fact, it's very common to see that it is stuck on this page, but it's still working. Allow it to finish the process, and once complete, you will be able to see if your computer had any issues that were restored. Once the DISM tool has been completed, you will see that the operation has been successful, or you will see that there has been some files or issues that were resolved. The check this utility is used for repairing corrupted files, repairing any bugs or errors found on your hard drive. To run this tool, open up command prompt, and type in checkdisk/r. Checkdisk/r both scans and repairs your hard drive, and like other commands initiated from the command line, there are several options that you can use. Checkdisk/r will most likely be the only command you need to repair and fix any potential issues on your hard drive. In the command interface, select yes, and then proceed to restart your machine. And here you have it. By utilizing these 3 tips, you have just optimized your machine like an IT professional. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any more tips and tricks that you would like to share to the community, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.